Hello Miss, my name is Elmer John Andrew Castillo and this is my writing portfolio for academic communication. For table content, Activity 1, Connecting Writing. This writing activity will test the learners to understand their current writing abilities and help develop their writing skills throughout the semester. Activity 2, Short Story. Analyze Ernest Hemingway's A Very Short Story, which taught me how story express real emotions and helped me improve my reading and writing skills. For Activity 3, Alphanumeric Outline. Add a little bit of body text for this activity. Explore how code computing improves data accessibility, lower cost, and enhance collaboration in the IT field. For Activity 4, Artificial Intelligence Essay. I use an AI tools to extract an essay about data privacy laws and complaints. Activity 5, Pivot. This activity is by group and is intended for class presentation. Is visually demonstrate how each part of an essay is interconnected and essential for clarity and concern. And for peer evaluation, I review my classmate essay, which helped me learn how to give helpful feedback and pay more attention to details. My final essay was challenging but taught me a lot. In the end, I feel proud seeing how much my writing improved. For my reflection, academic communication is essential for effectively sharing knowledge, idea, and research finding within educational and professional content.